Good morning, dear hearts. This is Trixie. We are on lesson 113 today in our review. We are reviewing lessons 95 and 96. I am one self, united with my Creator, and salvation comes from my one self. So a couple lessons ago, I think it was lesson 110, I mentioned about one is the only number, okay? And the truth is, it's the only real number for us here in this world, okay? Everything is one. Everything that is not one is only another way of looking at separation and accepting separation in our lives. So in some way, on some, there she goes, on some possibility, if we don't see one, we see many, we see separation. Back in the text, in chapter 6, I think it is, yeah, there is a wonderful part of one of the paragraphs that totally explains like today's idea about my one self, okay? God created his sons by extending his thought and retaining the extensions of his thought in his mind. All his thoughts are thus perfectly united within themselves and with each other. So we are always one. We had the extension of the one thought, but we didn't really go anywhere. We just exist within the mind of the one thought, the holy and whole complete mind. That is where we reside. Remember the wonderful word yesterday, abide. That's where we abide, in that one mind. I am one self, united with my Creator. Peace comes from my one-mindedness. When I am in recognition of my one-mindedness, that I am united with my Creator, then nothing can intrude upon that peace that is all-encompassing. We love that word. We'll hear it a lot, I'm sure. That peace which is all-encompassing. The lesson says, serenity and perfect peace are mine because I am one self. And in being that one self, united with my Creator, I have the recognition of all-encompassing serenity and peace, and nothing can intrude upon that. The second lesson is salvation comes from my one self. You know, we use different words sometimes for salvation. We use freedom. We can use peace today. The one self exists in the whole mind. And where that one whole mind is, it is also the holy mind. And peace is established within that whole and holy mind. And there are no opposites. There are no opposites to the whole and holy mind. It is complete. It is oneself. We are within that oneself. We are extensions of, but we never left the source. On the hour, I am oneself, united with my Creator. On the half hour, salvation comes from my one self. The more we practice, the more these ideas will make new pathways into our mind, so they will become just our nature. I wouldn't say second nature, but there's only one, so they'll be our nature. Okay, this is where we will go all of the time. So that's it for today. I hope this helped. I hope you are having a lovely day. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. And please be here tomorrow for our next review lesson. Namaste.